Holding some funds in an exchange is convenient if you're actively trading them, but if what you want is complete security, there is no better way than holding them in your own personal wallet. In this video, we'll go through the steps to withdraw your funds from the KuCoin exchange to your Koala Wallet. Start by opening the asset you want to withdraw to your Koala Wallet. Tap Receive, then press the copy button, copy your address to your device's clipboard. Now, you can open the KuCoin app. At the bottom of the screen, select Assets, then tap on Withdraw. Select the coin from the list of assets available for withdrawal. Now you can press the Paste button to input your Koala Wallet address that you just copied. Kadena assets should always use the Kadena network. Ethereum assets should use the ERC20 network, and so on. Choose the amount that you want to send, and finally, press Withdraw. Take a few seconds to double check that the address and the amount you want to withdraw is correct, and press Confirm. KuCoin may ask for extra verification or authentication according to your security settings. After your request is submitted, all you have to do is wait for them to process the withdrawal. Once processed, it should quickly confirm on the blockchain. The assets will appear in your Koala Wallet, perfectly safe and fully under your control. Enjoy transacting with no limits. Feel free to check out other video tutorials and have a great day.